Here we have a 2018 18 plate SMC Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 3.2. Now this vehicle does come with the full SMC armoured kit fitted to it. So we get the snorkel, the bonnet scoop, we also get the lower bash bar just down there, and we Raptor style front grille. We also have the 4 superb unscratched unmarked Mamba alloy wheels. Now they are in superb condition and a 20-inch. They're all wrapped in all-terrain off-road tyres. We also have the wide arch kit fitted to this vehicle. As you can see, it really makes this car stand out from the rest. We have the SMC armoured decals on the bonnet, both front doors there as well. We have the side steps on either side, the roof bars, blacked out styling, so we get the black rear bumper with the black window trim, the privacy glass on the rear, also with the black wide arch kit. We have your front and rear parking sensors with rear reversing camera, tow bar just there as well. Pop this open, you have the dampered rear bed, which gives you a nice spacious sized bed. You also have the mountaintop load liner just there as well, which can be rolled back all the way over there to leave it open. Now stepping back, you can see this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and really does look superb from every angle. Now this vehicle is also lifted by 2 inches, which really does make it stand out from the rest. Go to the rear, I'll show you a bit of the interior. We do have the full half leather and fabric seats throughout this vehicle with the ISOFIX points, pull down armrest. You have your 12 volt and 230 volt just down there as well with the electric windows in the back. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. You've got the snorkel just there as well. Now both driver and passenger seats are also heated, and the driver's seat is electrically adjustable. Electric windows, carbon fibre look trim. Jumping inside, auto lights just down there. Your power folding mirrors there as well. Foot on the brake, turn the key. Vehicle will then also start. Now you do have the multifunction steering wheel just here as well with your adaptive cruise control and speedometer. Adaptive cruise control keeps you a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you. You have your lane keeping assist just there as well. As you can see, this vehicle has done just over 36,740 miles and is free from any wall lights on the dashboard. You have your screens on the left and the right hand side. One on the left hand side you can have your entertainment, navigation and phone, and the one on the right hand side can give you all your driving information. Screen just in the centre gives you the home screen. Go to audio. You have your sources, so click on sources. You have AM, FM, DAB, CD and Bluetooth audio. You have your climate control just there as well, which is also displayed just down here. Bluetooth phone connectivity, navigation. You have your mobile apps, go to settings, scroll across, you can see you do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto fitted to this vehicle. Click on ambient lighting, you have 7 colours to choose from. Pop car into reverse, rear reversing camera top, you have your front and rear parking sensors. Coming down here, we have your dual zone climate control there as well. 2 heated front seats work exactly as I'd expect it to. Heated windscreen, so for those cold, frosty mornings when the windscreen is full frosted over, click that button, within minutes it'll be defrosted. 2 12 volt connectivities, 2 USB ports with storage. Just here we have your parking sensor, traction control on and off. You have your rear diff lock, downhill centre assist, 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high, and also 4-wheel drive low. 2 nice sized cup holders, soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath as well. And there's a look at the passenger's front seat with WILDTRAK just stitched in, just like the driver's. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Ranger WILDTRAK SMC edition. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not fine with steering to keep it a straight line. It's going straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now on this model we do have the adaptive cruise control and speed limiter. Now the adaptive cruise control, when it's set, keeps you a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you. So say the vehicle in front of you is doing 40, you set your cruise control to 45 miles an hour. Not only will the vehicle keep you a safe distance behind, which you can also change on the steering wheel, but it will keep you at 40 miles an hour like the vehicle in front of you is doing. Then if it starts to speed up to 50 and you've set it to 45, you'll get there, go to 45, and so on and so forth for changing up and down on the cruise control. Now you do have the plus and minus button to go up and down. Now on this vehicle you do have the safety feature of the lane keeping assist. Now it will keep you in the lane if you start to veer off on the motorway or on the road. You also have another safety feature. So in front of me, we do have a little black strip with a little clear bit of plastic in the middle. Now that flashes red if you get too close to the vehicle in front of you. Now that's just the vehicle telling you to drop back a little bit, which is a very nice safety feature to have. Now we do have the half leather, half fabric seats throughout this vehicle. Now 2 front seats are also heated, so for those cold winter mornings, really does make all the difference. Now for those cold winter mornings where your windscreen is all frosted over with ice or whatnot, press the heated windscreen button just down there, and within minutes it will then be cleared. All the ice will be melted, put the wipers on, wipes all the water clear off, and then you can get on to driving. Now if you're doing long distance driving, you can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. It is a very, very comfortable ride. It absorbs a lot of the impact on the road, such as potholes, speed bumps. It does absorb it very, very well. Now, if you test drive this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for anyone to knocks or bangs. And if you've been listening out during this test drive video, but there hasn't been any, which is always the bonus when buying a used car. So right now, I'll call it industrial state, where I'm going to take a right. I'm going to perform an emergency stop and pop it straight into reverse, just to show you that the brakes work exactly how you expect them to. And you'll see pop up on the centre screen the rear reversing camera. So just waiting for traffic to pass, and I'll be able to pull in, and I'll do a countdown from 3. So 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. And you can see the camera just in the centre. Now, being a Ford Ranger is a very capable off-road vehicle, so you do have your 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high, and also 4-wheel drive low. Now, you also do have your downhill ascent assist, you have your rear diff lock, which is a button just down here. You can also turn your traction control off it as well. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and more on videos, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this video test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.